Hi, this is Eugene Levy, wishing Total Film Magazine a happy 200th.
Happy birthday, Total Film. 200 issues is brilliant, and I've always read you, and I will continue to do so, even when you say nasty things about me, which is perfectly fine.
Hi-ho, this is Kermit the Frog, and I would like to wish everyone at Total Film a very, very happy 200th issue. I think that's amazing, and I hope there are many, many more.
Hi, I'm Ryan Johnson. I directed the film Looper, and I want to say happy 200th issue, Total Film. You don't look your age.
Happy birthday, Total Film's 200th issue from Gunnar Jensen, a.k.a. Ivan Drago.
Happy 200th issue to Total Film. Congratulations.
Congratulations on 200th issue.
Happy 200th birthday, Total Film. Hope you live for another 200.
Happy 200th birthday, Total Film! Wow, that's a lot of candles. Ooh.